tiny puppy got hiccups for the first time, and its reaction was absolutely adorable. When the hiccups suddenly started, the puppy got this totally confused look on its face, like it was thinking, "What on earth is this?" It didn't know what to do about these strange, unstoppable hiccups. As the hiccups kept coming, even though it looked like it was trying to stop them, the puppy started getting really annoyed. Every time it hiccuped, it seemed annoyed, as if asking, "What is this?" But the puppy's reactions were just so incredibly endearing, and its floppy ears were super cute and lovable too.